Oh my, sir, you okay? Come with me. Come on. Come on, keep it moving. To here. Come on, right over here. Get up there. Come on. Alright. See what's wrong with this thing. There we go. Oh, his voice box is damaged. This will take some time to... we gotta do it fast though. Spoiled. Oh, here it is. Where'd the bag go? Where'd the bag go? What was that noise? Oh, the exact tool I needed. Dang. Yeah, this is right.
Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up,
Whoa.
bro.
Oh.
Why are you doing that, bro?
What was that? Bro,
why? Why are you doing that?
Bro, I felt like I was in like a... Bro, I felt like I was in a dream, bro. I had a tool and I was looking at it.
Bro, I literally just walking in and saw you.
Let's go. I'll tell you more on the way. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Dude, I was coming into that place to grab a bag and I grabbed it and it just disappeared. I found the tool that I needed to work on my operator. I was looking at it closely. And then I heard you scream. I just like popped back in, you know.
I literally just was walking by and I saw you and came to intervene and hopefully help you, I guess.
Yeah. Well, I gotta go back to work, but
Okay.
stay safe.
Okay, I will try.
Alright, I'm back. So,
What are you doing?
the hell?
Goodbye, Joanne. Wait, are you alive? The hell?
Come on, bro, I swear. I didn't mean to, bro. I swear, bro. You don't have to do
Yo, Juwan, I'm not feeling too good right now. The crystal, it's doing stuff to my body, but I went to go get checked out in the hospital, so I'm not gonna be able to see you today. I'll check in with you tomorrow.
Yo, can you tell me just one more time what happened?
Dude, I'm telling you, bro. He took me to a mine place, bro. There's no harder way to explain it, bro. I'm sorry. Don't hurt me again, bro. Please, bro. I'm sorry,
No.
bro.
I won't.
What? You got your voice back, bro?
Yeah.
I'm very intrigued on
Dude,
what's happening right
that's
now.
crazy. How?
It's hard to explain, but can we just like go to the circus?
Sure.
Sure?
Yeah, this place looks scary. I got the shovel,
Very
though.
scary.
What is that?
Ah! Whoa!
Oh my god, it's hard to run in this dude.
Ow! Guys!
Come on, launch.
Come on.